Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of GAT Talks. Today we will be talking and reviewing about this new watch that we have here. It's called the K98H Smartwatch. This watch is one of these generic smartwatches that come from China, but this would definitely come with a little bit more features than some of the more basic watches. So first of all, let's look at the outside of this watch. The band of this watch is silicone, and the case of this watch is made out of aluminum steel here. The band is not detachable, as what it looks like. I mean, it's not easily detachable. The watch connects to a 4-pin magnetic charger, which I like, because you could just snap it on and it charges pretty quickly. It has a SIM card slot, so if you actually want to operate this watch on its own, you could purchase a micro SD card and have it operate on its own. Otherwise, you can use some of its wireless functions by connecting it to your mobile device. This watch does come with speakers, or what it looks like. So you could play audio out of this watch, and it would come out to have a pretty decent sound. Now let's walk through the software of this watch. So what I like to do, with the watches is to see how many default faces it comes with. So the way to do that, you would long press the home screen here and explore, other watch faces. So this is one of them, which is pretty unique. It shows the weather, it shows your battery life, it shows the temperature, your time, of course, your date. Now this other one's pretty cool too. It doesn't show as much, but it's definitely a cool wallpaper. A few mechanical ones, which I found to be the theme of this watch because of all the mechanical wallpapers it comes with, such as this. It definitely has a fancier look to it. Right? A few other ones. So it's very cool. In comparison to some of the other watches, this watch definitely comes with several more watch face you can choose from. I don't see a download option with this watch, so I'm not sure if you can actually download additional wallpapers from free or paid sources out there. But that would be very cool too if you could, just in case you do get tired of these wallpapers that it comes with. Now let's go through some of the functions this watch contains. So to get to the main menu of functions, you would right swipe. Looks like you can change the style of how the icons appear. Now this is what it looks like after you change it to another style. I actually prefer the other style more because this one does not obviously indicate what the functions do. Let's see if we can change back. Let's change it back. Get back to the main screen. This other function would be to download and manage your files. So it looks like you could do some kind of downloads or file management on this watch. The watch storage, it looks like it has a availability of 4 gigs, if I'm reading that right. So it's a pretty big storage for a little watch, which is great. You can take a lot of pictures or even videos. To get back to the main menu, you would simply down swipe from within the functions. Now let's go through, this is the audio function. So you can record sound and you can play music. Take pictures, record videos. This does not seem like it's indicating what it really does, but it's a mic, so I would guess, oh, here you go. It will listen for whatever you need to search on your browser, but it seems like you would need a SIM card. Down swipe to go back. You can go through the Play Store. Which is pretty self-explanatory if you're a Android user. Now this phone does connect with both iOS, Android, and Windows. So just because your other mobile device is a non-Android device does not mean that it's not going to be compatible with this watch. You can still operate this watch connecting your phone to this watch, but this watch would just operate on an Android system. Okay. There's also the clock function, which would have your basic clock functions, stopwatch, alarms, timer. You also have your basic settings, internet connection, power savings, wireless settings, language, date and time, sound, display, okay, all the basic settings, really. You have your phone function, which you could use by either connecting your phone or even using a or SIM card. You could, access your contacts, message, phone, your contacts. You also have your browser here, which comes with some pretty default browsers. Okay. Your tools, calculator, calendar, and your social media hub. Facebook, WeChat, WhatsApp, Twitter, Skype. Those are some of the default ones it comes with. Okay. So that actually concludes, some of the functions that this watch comes with. I do like this watch because it's very intuitive to use. Obviously from what you just saw here, I did not even go through the instruction manual. So I found it very easy to go through, unlike some of the other watches that I have gone through, especially the ones that don't have an Android system. Now let's put this watch on and see how it looks on my wrist. Okay. So this is how it looks like on my wrist. Feels very comfortable. Not too big or small. Very standard size. I've seen some bigger watches, such as the K98H, which is definitely a little heavier, but not this one. Okay. So this concludes my review of the K98H smartwatch. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe, or even leave any of your comments below. If you would like to go ahead and purchase this watch, you can use one of my links below, which would take you to Amazon or eBay. Just a disclaimer, I am an affiliate of Amazon and eBay, so if you do purchase through one of my links, I will get a commission at no extra cost to you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys at the next one. Thank you.